We now have x equals plus or minus the square root of 24. To simplify the square root of 24, we must factor it until we have perfect squares. 24 can be factored down into 6 times 4. 6 can be factored into 3 times 2, and 4 can be factored into 2 times 2. So, to leave the party, each number must have a buddy. So 2 and 2 have a buddy, so they can come outside of the square root sign. So we're left with 2 times 3 times 2, which is root 6. So your final answer is x equals plus or minus 2 root 6. Number 6, parentheses x plus 1 squared equals 25. First, we'll take the square root of both sides so that x plus 1 equals square root of 25, plus or minus. The square root of 25 is 5, so we can do x plus 1 equals plus or minus 5. Then we can do x equals positive 5 minus 1 and x equals negative 5 minus 1. So that our answers are x equals 4 and x equals negative 6. Number 7. X squared minus 2 equals 10. First, we'll add 2 to both sides so that we get x squared equals 12. When we square root both sides, we get x equals plus or minus the square root of 12. 12 is also a radical that can be simplified. Square root of 12 goes into 6 and 2, and then 6 goes into 3 and 2. So since 2 and 2 are together, they can leave the party, so that you get 2 square root of 3. So your answer is x equals plus or minus 2 square root of 3. Number 8. X minus 1 in parentheses plus 2 equals 38. First, we'll subtract 2 from both sides so that we have x minus 1 squared equals 36. When we square root both sides, we get x minus 1 equals plus or minus the square root of 36. X then equals, since the square root of 36 is 6, 6 plus 1, or x equals negative 6 plus 1. So our answers are x equals 7 and x equals negative 5.